Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and these are ski goggles that have no lenses on them. They're fantastic. No, just kidding. These come with two sets of daytime and then nighttime kind of cloudy. So clear, and then you have highly reflective mirror style finish. And the cool part is that these are magnetic. So they snap on just like that, and you just take them off and you're like, I got to get the next one. Bloop, pop it off, get your next one. You can see there are magnets all the way. There's like hard magnets. Clips in, and then you're good to go. So here's some extra call outs on these. So besides the ease of the magnetic cover coming off, I mean, it's not, I mean, even a hard fall, they're not just gonna like launch off the face, which is nice. What I found is on the inside, there's a little bit of a lip on the inside. You give it a little pop, and then it comes right off. It's not possible for my experience to be able to try to peel it off or have it come off that way. This is a nice rubberized design. Also has, you can see there's vents all the way around because this set of goggles is fog resistant. It does not fog up. Haven't had a chance to get these things to fog up. I've even put these things over a steaming pot or whatever. They just don't fog. And I guess that's because of how these are constructed, maybe the material or something. That's getting into the technical stuff that I don't really care to even know. It doesn't really matter to me. They do what they say they're gonna do. They don't fog up. The inside, so especially if you're wearing a helmet, on the inside here, I mean, if you're not, if you're just wearing a toboggan or something, has like this silicone type grippy material, which is easy to use. Also, the way this is set up from a adjustable size standpoint, sometimes the goggle is not big enough, especially if you got a big old helmet that goes all the way around and it doesn't fit. Well, you get enough extra material in the strap that you can have a kind of like a one size fits all. You got enough space to where it's going to do that. Also, the opening on this is wide enough that if the user was wearing corrective lenses or something like that, then or just sunglasses, then I'm not sure why you'd want to wear sunglasses because this is tinted really good. But if for whatever reason you're wearing sunglasses, these would fit right over it, and that is because the depth of here, the gap in here, right here, is deep enough that even glasses sitting up off the face aren't going to be affected, and the cushiness here, especially with lenses going this way, is thick enough that it can kind of compress and work around it and fit the glasses over the goggles over the glasses. So if you're looking for a set of goggles, ski goggles that will allow you to quickly snap on one set, snap on a second set. And the cool part is that this company has a ton of different lens options, and they all fit in the same frame. So there's like mirror finishes, like these happen to be more of a orangish tint. So if the user wanted to have sort of a wide variety of different lenses for whatever reason, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you do a little test, a little overview? Tell us what you think about our ski goggles that are anti-fogging and can be easily changed out. Hopefully any and all your questions got answered. We'll talk to you soon.